Maori Maps offers digital gateway to Aotearoa. Let's play this.
This interactive digital map is aimed at helping Maori abroad reconnect with their ancestral homes. Maori Maps has relaunched this online platform, allowing users to explore more than 780 marae across Aotearoa. That comprehensive resource includes 24 marae across the South Island, with each site accompanied by detailed descriptions and photographs.
This way of viewing New Zealand Aotearoa is unique, and it's a testament to an institution that has survived 3,000 years back into business.
Maori Maps 𝐻𝐿, or General Manager Hirini says the website was first launched in 2011, but technological advancements were needed to meet their goals. Each marae listing includes historical and cultural information of these ancestral spaces.
And that's
now, I have seen this website before, but it sounds like it's been updated. So let's go have a look. Let's check it out. Paste. Enter. Home Maori Maps. I like the interface. It's clean. It's clean. These two out here. Wow, this is cool. This is like a lot of modern maps that you use for different services, where you zoom in and these items split out as you get closer and closer. Let's have a look at a couple of them. Down the east coast. Why not? Why not? Whitianga. Kuta Rere. Alright, let's check out what these pages look like. Cool, got some photos. Now, this site has been advertised, at least on this website, as being not only a database, but it's an opportunity for people to reconnect. And for Maori that live in Australia, much like myself, this is incredibly awesome. There's not a lot of detail on here, but man, if you're not sure where you're from, who your whānau is, or anything like that, but you've got a little bit of an idea, man, this is going to be a wealth of knowledge. We've got a map, we've got some details, we've got some links, key information, we've got names, other marae in the rohe, Whitianga, Te Whānau-a-Apanui. How good is it? Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that, waterfront views. Same setup, details, little bit of information, key information in the rohe, community trust. I guess if you want to get in touch with anyone, there's enough detail in here for you to be able to do that. Kuterere, one that's very close to me. Cool, wow, this is an awesome website. At least just clicking on the map part of it. Contact us, home. Let's click on home. Okay, so we can type it in here. Look, it's got the list. It's a big database. It's a database linked in with GIS. That's essentially what it is. And it's got some very, very valuable information. So, whānau, if you're interested, if you're looking for a connection, if you're looking for your marae, if you're looking for information about your marae, oh man, if you've got details, update your marae. Man, if you want to learn, I would 100% recommend checking this out. Maori Maps. How do I get there? MaoriMaps.com. Nice and easy. Check it out.